Hey guys, what is up? Welcome. So as you know, I've been slacking. It's no secret to anybody. Actually, haven't been on here. It's been almost a month, maybe a month. I haven't quite checked. I had filmed a video about a week ago updating you guys on like where my head was at and why I haven't been on YouTube. And I think I'm gonna end up deleting it just because it talks a lot about like mental health and my anxiety. And you guys already have heard it before. You know I struggle with anxiety, so there's no point in going into like excuses, I guess, or reasons that I haven't been on YouTube. There's just no point. And if you hear a bunch of noise, all three of my dogs decided to come in the room at the same time, and Simon. So they never come in here. Now they want to come in here. Of course. I haven't been on YouTube. Long story short, just been going through a lot of like things mentally. My wisdom teeth are coming in, so that's really painful right now. It kind of hurts to talk, so I've been taking medicine like nobody's business. So it's just been a lot lately, but we're gonna sit down and we're gonna chat today because I got something exciting and I think you guys would be really interested to see what it is. If you follow my social medias, you'll already know what it is, but if you don't, get ready. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about this bad guy. And the reason I really wanted to talk about this is because this is a brand that's not really known. I discovered this, when I say this brand, it's not called Luster, that's the palette name. But the brand is called Creative Soul Cosmetics. I discovered them on Instagram because the owner of it, I think her name's, it's like Jen Lee, something on Instagram. I'll make sure to link it down below. But I think I started following her. If any of you guys know, well, let me just go back. So there used to be an app called Makeup Social a couple years ago, and that's where actually I found a couple people on here that I'm subscribers on there, and this girl in particular was one that I found on there, and she does really pretty makeup. I believe she has a YouTube channel as well. But I was following her on Instagram from the Makeup Social. That's how I found her. And then she came out with a brand called Creative Soul Cosmetics where she was just launching lashes only. And I had gotten a couple of her lashes and I loved them. So I kind of started following it from there. And they came out with a couple other things. But this in particular really caught my eye. So I ordered it, just got it in the mail. So like I said, if you follow me on my social medias, which if you don't, you totally should, because everything about my life is on there. So if you're missing your Emily fix, my social medias, that's where you get that. But the Luster palette, it's really pretty. It has like pink marble packaging, and then it is like these like a rose gold lettering. It is cardboard, and on the back it'll tell you all the ingredients. They're handmade, vegan, and cruelty-free pressed glitter palette. That's what this is. So I'm going to kind of read over the back and then we will get to the beauty that is inside of this palette. So I will say, and these pan sizes are huge. Like, you see how big this palette is? Like, do you see how big this palette is? It's not travel friendly, but it is gorgeous. I'm going to read this little warning that's on the back, and I know you're getting scared. I was like, what? But I'm sure it's just legal reasons. So it says, warning, our glitters are considered safe for the skin by the FDA but are not recommended for eye or lip use. Which is kind of confusing because they're glitters that you put on your eye, so I don't know why it would state that they're not safe for the eye, but maybe, like I said, it is glitter, so maybe they just have to put that out there. It says, please always use caution when applying any glitter to areas around the eyes or lips. Our customers take full responsibility when it comes to choosing how they use our glitters. We are not responsible for unsafe or improper usage. So that's your little warning that they throw out there, which I know is scary, but I'm all about taking risks. I'm gonna open up the inside because that's why you're here. Get ready. Let me, if I can get it open. I need to use some. Can we just have a moment of silence for these glitters that are going on right now? This is the palette. The size of these pans are huge. It says they're .008 hex. Oh no, that's the glitter size, not the pan size. I'm sorry. There's 0.04 ounces each. The whole thing is 1.2 grams. Names on them or anything. But when I saw this, I was like, I have to have that. It literally is just pressed glitter in a pan. I know I've seen it around before, but I've never tested the quality of them. So this glitter is super soft, so if you do decide to get this, what I've noticed using it is to be very gentle with it, because it is literally like the moment you touch it, it's like it moves, which makes sense. It's not something like a shadow where you can kind of dig your brush into it. You literally just barely tap it and you're good. So today I put on this like really pretty rose gold shade along with the one next to it. I'll show you right here. So I put on these two shades, and I'll get a little closer so you can see. Now I know it looks crazy because I don't really have any liner or lashes on. I also just got off work, so I came home and I was like, let me put some of these onto this, and it's perfect for holiday. I'm going to swatch a couple colors just so you can kind of get the full effect. So I'm going to swatch the silver, the gold, this really pretty green color, this red. Oh my god, this red is literally like Christmas in a pan. So these are some of the colors. Oh my gosh, can you die in heaven knowing that these exist? Can we just have a moment so you guys can see how pretty these are? So I'm gonna pick up some of the deeper colors, like the purple, this one that has like purple, blue, pink. It has so many different things in it. Aren't these to die for? I literally, like, you know, sometimes you post, I have never done it because I can't figure it out, but there's like a filter that you can post where it makes things look shiny. Literally, when you take a video, like, what you see is like sparkle, pure sparkle. I can't say enough good things about this. Now, I want to say that she talked about it. She has a YouTube video using this palette, and I want to say that she said it works better without glitter glue. Don't quote me on that because I feel like I heard that somewhere, but I could be wrong. I used it the first time with glitter glue when I did the red shade right here, and it worked really well. I just did this without glitter glue and it still worked really well. Now, I think glitter glue is going to give you more longevity with these, because I could see these being just like any, like a loose glitter, fall out through the day or fall off throughout the day. I think this could do that without glitter glue, but I think if you have glitter glue, like, I didn't have any problems with my red holding up. This is a really cool color. This is like a what is it? It's like a green mixed with, it's like holographic. Here, I'll show you. Show you on my hands too. Can we just talk about it? With these, there will be like fallout because it's just like, literally, it's just like a glitter in press form. So as long as you're careful, I find it best to use my finger. I tried using the brush and it works really well too, but I prefer my finger. I feel like I get more of an even application. I feel like it picks up the product the best. That is, there's so many more colors. I could swatch the whole palette, but then my arms would be covered in glitter, and when I swatched it the first night, I literally took me a while to get all the glitter off my arm. Let me just say that. Guys, that is the end of the video. I'm gonna check out more swatches because obviously I didn't swatch them all. I will leave their Instagram down below. Also, hopefully I don't forget, I want to try to link her video down below as well so you can see her using the palette and her talking about it. And I just kind of want to like shed some light on this palette because it is so pretty, and I know not a lot of people. I looked it up on YouTube and I couldn't find anyone but her talking about it. So, as an influencer, I'm like, you know what? She deserves some recognition and to see something so great. So, yeah, that's really why I want to talk about it too. And just to show you how freaking pretty they are because I can't stop looking at them. So, yeah, perfect for holiday too. Like I said, there's like a fiery orange in there. There's the red. There's rose gold color, like deep maroon purple colors. If you liked it, if you enjoyed this palette, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If there's anyone down there below that has this palette, please let me know, because like I said, I can't really find anyone that's on YouTube that's using it. If they are using it, they're not talking about it. So I'm just curious, like, if you've heard about this brand, if you've bought lashes from this brand, if you've heard all my makeup social people out there, if you had the app, comment down below. Let me know, because I missed you guys and it's been a hot minute. The other day it was funny, I looked it up. I'm like, let me see if they came back with it. I just don't know about it. It's still not back. It didn't have, I guess, the money or like the hype around it enough to keep it running. That is it. I love you guys so much. I will try my best to get back on my shit. Let me know down below if there's anything you want to see in particular, And that's it. I love you guys. Make sure you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video.